welcome back to this very exciting display opening. So we will look at 2 more displays today, and today we are in daylight, so I hope the lighting is much better than in the last video. I just couldn't wait to get to the next day to have perfect daylight in the video, so I just put some of those out of there, and we will hope for the best, hope for some new cards. Still, I have no idea which ones I don't have. If there are like 7 more legendaries that I haven't seen, I have no idea, but we will find out today. And of course, I would love to have an enchanted. And also, let's hope that this video is not as long as the other one. Since we've seen a lot of the cards, I think it won't take too long to get through all of those. But yeah, we'll have to see. So for example, I think we've seen every card. Maybe Bernard's new. I think he's new. I don't think I've seen him. He's super cute in his little raincoat. And it's a bronze card, so yeah, the odds are high that we have not seen him. And we have... Is this foil? I don't really see anything. I'm really confused now. This doesn't feel foil at all. Huh. Interesting. Well, as always, I will put some of the displays here to go over there, all the trash where you can't see it, and then 1 stack for silver, and 1 for foil, and 1 with all of the rest, again, in a frame that you can't see. But it's not that exciting, so it won't be a problem, I think. Let's look at the next one. Ooh, another place already. Okay, bronze. So this is going to be hopefully exciting. It's legendary. Okay, let's hope it's a new one. I have no idea who that is. Oh, the Queen maybe? Ursula. Have we seen her? I don't know. I don't think so. Oh jeez. Because I have seen so many Ursulas now, I don't know if this particular one is new. But it could be. Her hair looks interesting. Yeah, I think she's new. That's exciting. Nice. Okay, first legendary. Very cool. And a foil bear. See, this one is foil for sure. But the Dalmatian, I don't know. Didn't seem to be foil at all. I don't know. I guess it is. Because this part, the numbers are not shiny. But in here they are. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Weird for sure. So we've got our first legendary, nice. And the rest is just bronze and lower. Okay, next one. Okay, have we seen him? Jeez, I have no idea. Looks kind of new to me. Love that one. And no, not yet. Now we're getting into the exciting parts. I think he's not new. And a silver, which is okay. Also nothing new. And the foil, oh, we've got a foil location. I don't know if that's a first. I think it is. I don't think we've seen a foil location yet. So that's exciting. Looks quite cool. Nice. And a bronze location. That's also cool. Got a silver. Nice. And let's move on, because we have a lot of booster packs to go through. In this video alone it's 48, so yeah, it'll take some time for sure. Queen of Hearts, yay. And location again, interesting. Okay, what's going to be next one? Silver again, nice. Good. And it's the hyena again. And all foil silver, which is him again. What are the odds? Don't know if I have him in foil yet, but the effect is quite nice. Whoops. So foil, silver, and the rest. Let's see. King Louis, nice. I really love all the Robin Hood art as well. It looks very, very cool. Pongo again. Oh, we're starting with a silver now, so we could have another legendary. And oh jeez, I mean it is a legendary, but I fucked up with the foil one. But we have a legendary. Let's hope it's something new. Seems to be a villain. Yeah, it is. It's Maleficent. Yep, I think we had her. So a repeat, unfortunately, but it's fine. And we have yet another foil location. And I think it's even a new card. I don't think I've seen Belle's Home. So that's cool. Very, very nice. Oh, and a silver as well. Very, very good pack. Let's see. Oh, a location again. Zazu. Queen of Hearts again. Oh, this one's new for sure. The bronze one that I hadn't had before. Nice. And it's also a very, very cool one from Ariel. Love that. Very, very cool. And behind it is yet another foil location. Okay. RLS Legacy? Why is it in English? Very weird. Some weird feelings with this pack, or the display in general. But I hope it's genuine. So foil, oh, this is just bronze, but it's new, so that's cool. I haven't looked at the numbers yet. Jeez, fuck. Should have done so. Oh well, now it's too late. Cat again. Rufus. Ooh. She could be new. Very, very cool design. Again, so many details. Very, very cool colors. Love that. And the next one is also bronze. Oh, I think she's new as well. Wow. Ursula again. But this is a nice potion scene with her very, very cool song that I love. Yeah, very, very cool. And the foil is just a normal card. Yeah, not a lot of foil effect on this one. So foil, well, just bronze, but 2 new cards I think, so that's amazing. Oh, another Dalmatian and Ursula again. There are so many Ursulas in here. Ooh, this one could be new. I don't remember getting this song. Bare Necessities. That's nice. One of my favorite songs for sure. And there's Paul's Home in the normal edition. And a foil location, what the fuck? Now I have so many. Wow. Nottingham. Loves and Dalmatian again. Okay, bronze. It's just the Magician's Hat. And another bronze. And yeah, nothing new with this one, unfortunately. And I don't think there's anything new in here as well. Oh, starting with a silver one, nice. But it's only silver afterwards. Too bad. And a foil Pluto. Okay, it's alright. Two silvery. Yeah, no, he's not new. And this Tinkerbell card could be new. I think it is. Very, very cool. Nice, nice. Oh, and if didn't we just get it? Oh, in the other pack. He looks so much cooler on foil. Nice. So foil. No, actually I want to have them in the silver thingy, I think. How did I do it with the other one? I have this one on there as well. Yeah, well, it's alright. Let's put them in the foil one. This one's just silver, and this one's just silver as well. And oh, the last pack. Not from the whole display. Maybe a third of it. I'm not sure. didn't count them. I'm just opening them in a rush to hope for something new. No, not new. Oh yay, I only have one of him. So having 2 cards now is very cool. And a legendary foil. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can guess it. No, it doesn't say anything about the character. I don't know. Robin Hood. Robin Hood legendary. No, I don't know which one this could be. It's a new one, that's why. Oh my god, nice. Oh, this little plushie is so cute. Okay, cool. A new legendary in freaking foil. That's exciting. Very cool. Got a silver as well. And I'll put him on the legendary one, even though he's foil. And let's take out all of the remaining packs. Now the first display is empty. And we still have a lot of cards to go through. Get out! Come on! Oh god, I destroyed it. Can you see it? Yeah, let's try the other side, I guess. Yeah, that works much better. Okay. Let's see what we have in here. Information, yeah. Okay, bronze. And just another bronze. Oh, but it could be a new one. But I'm not sure. And the foil is bronze as well, okay. The lamb. Oh, we've got 2 Minnie Mouses over there. Oh, fucked up over there, but it's okay, it's just the normal cards. I love that, it's so cute. Is this bronze already? Yeah, it is, but not a new one. And another location under that, it is also bronze, which I've seen before. And there's another location under that. In foil. Not sure if I have it in foil. I have it in the normal edition. Little froggy. Very cool. So 1 foil. Oops. And the other stuff. Okay, we're flying through this. Or maybe time is just flying and I'm not recognizing it. Not sure. I hope that at this point I have all of the more common cards. Oh, I just got them again. So that I don't have to buy any of those cards. Just some of the more rarer ones. I love that card as well. Such a cool one. Oh, haven't seen them in a while. Is this way? No, I think that's not a new one, but I'm not sure right now. Okay, bronze. Another bronze. Nothing new. And oh my god. Oh my god, it's happening. In foil? No, this can't be real. This can't be real now. This is not happening. Or is this just a normal enchanted? Is it always in this place? It might be, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. I hope it's not a fake. Oh my freaking god. I haven't seen any of the enchanted cards, so I have no idea what I'm getting now, but oh my god. But this means that there's no other enchanted in here, but that's fine. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, okay. Okay. I have no idea what it is. Please be something cool. Please. Mickey Mouse. Okay. It's cute. I like it. Oh my god, look at it. Is it fake? Please don't tell me it's fake, please. I have no idea if it is. I really don't know. I don't want it to be fake, because the shine is super intense. But I have no idea. If you're an expert on it, please tell me. Oh my freaking god. This is amazing. It's probably not the best one that you can get, but I don't freaking care. It's cute. I love the medieval vibes. The toned down colors. It's super cute. Yes! I'm so happy now. I really didn't have any hopes for it, but now we have one. Yay. And yeah, nothing too exciting about this, but this is freaking exciting. Okay, this is, if anyone's interested, my second enchanted that I ever got. I had one in chapter 2, none in chapter 1, but I only opened one display, so there weren't really any high chances of me getting one. And yeah, now in chapter 3, also in the second display, as in chapter 2, I opened it. I don't know if it's in the first display or not, but I had bought 2 displays, so maybe that's what I need to do in the future as well. Genie and silver, nice. So yeah, I did everything right. I don't really care how much money you have to spend to get this Mickey Mouse. If it's just $60, that's what it is. I don't care. I have it now, and I won't ever sell it for sure. Okay, let's just get through all of those now. Oh my god. Okay, I mean, it's not an enchanted. I'm reacting like it is, but it's a new legendary, I think. Should be. So we've got 10 cents in there. I have no idea what this is from. Okay, it says the character down here. Makes sense that it is from the good old money addicted duck family member. Let's call him that. And this one's foil. So yeah, I think and I hope that this one's also new. There are so many legendaries in there, but maybe we have most of them now. I'm not sure. I'm just happy about the enchanted now. I don't care if we get just repeats from now on. In this display at least. Okay, bronze is Fiona. Nice. And a location in bronze. But we've seen that. Oh, yes, I love the Rapunzel foils. They are always very, very foily indeed. Very, very shiny. This is not an exception. So yeah, very, very cool to have this one. Okay, 5 more to go. Yeah, I mean, I had weird feelings about this display, right? But it seems like they were very positive weird ones. So that's very, very cool. This one is a matte playmat as well, right? As the one with Winnie the Pooh that I have in here. I think think this one was a matte as well. Simba and a Foilina. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, silver is on your own stack. And what do we have in here? I'm hoping that I'm not too fast for you with pulling all of these cards. I'm just trying to get to the new ones. Silver. Just 3 more. A lot of girls in this one. Okay, never mind. Maybe not. Or I think it could be me. I don't think I've seen him. Very, very nice. Oh my god, and he's followed by another freaking legendary. Okay, okay, who is it? More heads? Hydra? Queen of Hearts? Who the frick has multiple heads? A deadly snake. Oh, it is a Hydra. Okay, nice. Oh yeah, right. Right, I have it. But now I have a repeat, it's okay. And a foil Mickey. Nice. So the enchanteds are always in the foil place, right? I think. So a legendary, foil, and the rest. Okay, 2 more, and then we can move on to display number 3. Okay. Oh, Skippy, one of my favorites. Still one of the best ones I ever got. Okay, bronze. Captain Hook, haven't seen him in a while. And oh, a foil Skippy, yay. That's cool. I'm happy about that one. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, I have way too much trash already lying everywhere. And the last one. Let's see if we can get a new card of some kind. Nope. Nope. And nope. Nope. But this is a pretty foil for sure. I don't think I have it. And the effect is quite nice. So yeah, good last card. And we're done. So now I have this whole stack of bronze and lower cards. Yay, we're very excited to organize all of them. It'll take multiple days for sure. And then we have all of these foils. Very, very cool. Put it somewhere safe. All of these silver cards, which is also super exciting. Didn't get a lot of Alice cards, but maybe there are not a lot of different ones in this chapter 3, so I hope that's the case, and that I'm just not missing all of them now. Then also very exciting, some new legendaries, especially this one is super cool, and I hope this one's new as well. So yeah, very cool for sure. And of course the highlight is going to be him. I love it. Okay, well then, I have yet another pack, and I will definitely look through it all, because there could be another enchanted, you never know. Oh jeez, getting them all out of there is not that easy. Okay, let's see. I will check the numbers first, just in case. It looks good, so let's look inside all of these now. If I'm able to get them out of there. Yes, I do. Yes, I am, I mean. Yes, I do. Right. Grammar is hard. Okay. Not new. Oh jeez. I almost just pulled it like it's nothing. John Silver, okay. Oh my god, but it's new. It's new. Nice. Again, those colors are amazing. I love them. Nice pose, nice everything. Very, very cool. Even though I have no idea who he is. Probably from Atlantis again. It's a new card. It's a freaking new card. And behind it is one of those freaking bears that I also don't know where they're from. Okay, nice. New stacks with legendary on there, normal cards on there, and foil cards, of course. Now let's move on with you. And here they are. Starting with a broom. Oh jeez. Got too excited there. This legacy thingy again. And the lamp. And just a common one. You ready? Normal cards. Haven't had a silver card yet in this display. So let's hope we get one in here. Nope. Oh, there it is. The first silver one, and it's Chernabog again. And oh, very cute to have this one in foil. Silver and the rest. Alrighty. Hope I can keep this video under 1 hour, but I have no idea. I don't have any overview of that. I will see it when I look at the whole video after filming, when I'm cutting all the parts that I don't need. Oh, yet another silver one about money. Sounds like a duck to me, and it is. If there's money in it, it has to be him. I forgot where the foils are there. I mean, you don't even care, but I need to keep it organized a little bit, at least. Ta-da! I think there's also another Alice Enchanted in chapter 3. There was one in chapter 2 already, which I didn't get, of course. So yeah, it's going to be quite sad if there's a very cool Alice one in here as well. But I mean, if that's what happens, that's what happens. It's okay. For Robin, love it. It's nice that they do once from Alice as an enchanted card. It would just be nice if it's possible to get enchanted. I mean, 1 in 3 displays is kind of bad, I think. It's better than having none, of course. Feel very sorry for all the people who have not a single enchanted yet. But let's focus on this legendary. What? King who? I have no idea who that is. A princess. A legendary princess. Doesn't ring a bell. Oh, right. Yeah, we have her in foil even. But she looks amazing without it as well. Very cool. Oh my god. I didn't expect that. Okay. A foil gem. Why not? Okay. Cool. That's amazing. So it goes on the legendary pile for sure. Nice. Okay, we already have 3 legendaries and it's a new one as well. So it's already a success. Opening the whole display. Let's see what else we've got. Lots of locations. This thingy. And Genie. And John Silver in foil. I think I have him in foil already, but still very exciting. Okay. Probably already halfway done. These stacks are very small already. Let's just rush through these normal ones. Really hope I have every normal one by now. Ursula again, and Captain Hook. I think I have him, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to show you all the details. And foil. Oh yeah, they fit very well. Nice, nice. So a foil and some other cards. Come on, already. Okay, getting to the exciting parts. Blue. And a foil silver. Who's that? She lives in a world full of possibilities. Yeah, no idea. Oh, a fairy. Tinkerbell. It is. Nice. On the foil pile, why not? Next, let's see. Oh, whoopsie. Oh, we're starting with silver, exciting. It's the Sheriff of Nottingham, followed by legendary. But this quote seems familiar. I think I have this card. Oh, I don't know. Do I? I don't know. I think I do. I'm not sure. And it's followed by... Oh, nice, the Queen, which is one of my favorite designs. Now I have it in foil, and the effect is amazing. A lot of foil on here. Nice. one of the best foil cards, I think. And a legendary that I don't know if I own. Okay. Feels like we have 10 more maybe. I don't know. We will find out. Oh my god, it's new. Okay, we still have new cards. Another Ursula. Wow. Yeah. This is from the finale of the movie for sure. Very, very epic. She looks a bit silly in this dress, but it's cool. Cool to have her. At this point, you can almost like do a whole Ursula deck. There are so many in there. Oh my god, and I think this one's new as well. I mean, it's just bronze, but it's a new card, so who cares? Very cool. And a foil bow by Robin. Also very, very cool. Nice shine on there. Okay, that was a success. Wow, I didn't expect to get these two cards. But yeah, that's very, very cool. Okay, why can't I get them out today? Okay, there we go. Starting with another favorite of mine. So maybe that's a good sign. Okay, let's see. No, that was too early. There we go. Bronze Mini. Oh my god, I think she's new. That's so cute. I love her dress. She looks really stunning. And we have some kind of location, but it's not new. But I mean, this one's new. And in our third display, getting new stuff is very exciting. Oh, nice. Finally, I have him in foil as well. Because the design looks very, very cool. And in foil, it's even cooler. Nice. Okay, so let's see. Foil, which goes there. And these are spawns. So they go there. See. Okay, this one got out smoothly. Is that even a word? Smoothly? Sounds weird. Okay. No, he's not new, right? I think I've seen him. Oh, Bernard again. Cute. And for Wendy, who's also very cute looking. Next, okay, nothing new. Nope. And just ooh, but this one's a very cool foil one. Also very, very nice foil effect. Very nice. Okay, let's get him over there. Put those on one stack. I'm surrounded by treasure cards, it's amazing. And what do we have in here? Rufus, nice. And John Silver, a silver card. But nothing new, but it is a pretty one. And a foil Heart of Tafiti. Nice. Looks great as well. Oh, silver one. We don't have too many legendaries in this display, which is a shame. But maybe we get more in these last few packs. And then I can finally look at all the spoilers, see which cards I still have not gotten. Nice. And yeah, just have an overview. See how many how high the percentage is of me getting all the new cards, how many are left, because I never opened 3 displays for a chapter, so the percentage should be higher than usual. Nice. Here again, and a foil lost ball. Oh my god, we're almost done now. Not a lot of packs left. So I don't think we get another enchanted, which is... it's okay, but it would have been super exciting to have one more. I should really do 1 enchanted for every display. Because at this rate you still won't get every single enchanted. But you have this happy feeling for once to have at least one. Oh my god. Oh my god, what? 2 enchanted out of 3 displays? No. No, that's not normal. I'm calling this BS right now. What? This can't happen. Who is he? Okay, it's a new one. Imagine me getting just a freaking replicate one of this one. Well, at this point I could sell it. But, oh my god, we have a new one. Oh my god. And it's probably Ursula. It looks very much like Ursula. Oh my god, let's see her. Oh my god, it is. Here we go. Oh my freaking god. Chapter 3 is full of Ursula. Oh my freaking god. Oh my. Let's get rid of this shit. I'm sweating. What? How? How? Oh my freaking god. This is so cool. I'm so freaking happy now. You can't imagine. Oh my god. This is surreal. Wow. So maybe it's more possible to get them now? Or maybe just it's just, oh my god, I can't speak anymore. Or maybe it's just an exception. I got very lucky. Or you are really able to get enchanted now at a much higher rate, which would be super cool. So yeah. Let's just get through those. And oh my god, I need to calm down. This is so cool. I'm so happy, and I'm so excited for chapter 4 now, even though we don't have any information on it yet. This is so cool. Oh my god. I'm so excited to show my family that I got them, even though they are not as excited about them as I am, but I don't freaking care. Okay, got a foil one for this one, which is also cool, but oh my god. Oh my god. It's a good day. It's a freaking good day today. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else that I haven't seen before in here. Oh, a Silver Wendy again. I have so many cards of her now, like especially this one. Even though it should be quite rare, I have her so many times. Same with Lyle, I think. Another Seafaring foil. I'm still shaking. I can't believe it. Oh wait, we've got silver ones. I almost put them on the normal stack. Okay, 4 more packs. No Minnie Mouse left, but that's okay. Oh, I still have a silver card lying around here. Oops. And this stack, jeez, whoopsie. Let's put it away. And let's see, still no more legendary cards, but okay, it's okay. I don't need them if I get the enchanted. I don't freaking care about legendaries. I really don't. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, nothing new. Foiled Dalmatian, which is very, very cute. Oh, yes. Okay, 3 more. To anyone who is not watching this part 2, only watched part 1 of me opening these chapter 3 displays. Yeah, you missed out on some things. Oh wow, this is so cool. Oh, Eric again. Nice. Oh, a legendary. Okay, let's see, let's hope for something new. Robin Hood. Oh yeah, right. Okay, not a new one, but it's fine. It's a legendary. And a foil Grammatella. Also very nice foil with the design in the background. Very cool. Okay, silver one, right. And we have 2 more. And then we're done. It's so nice to have 3 enchanteds now without paying a tremendous amount of money. I mean, it was still very pricey, but 2 enchanteds out of 3 displays is pretty freaking amazing, I would say. Oh, the hyena again, nice. And what's our foil? It's Milo. Ooh. Very, very shiny indeed. Oh god, trash. Don't get off the table, please. Okay, it's our last one. Let's see, Broom, Grammar again. Peter, Bianca. Location, and let's see what are the last 3 epic cards. Hook again, and the last one just a normal one in foil, but it is whoever that is. Very anticlimactic end, but it's fine. It's fine. I now get to see everything that I missed out on, especially all the enchanteds. So yeah, done with that one. Got all of those cards in here, all of these exciting foils, and all of those silvery ones, just also very nice. A few legendaries, but for a whole display 5 is not a lot, but it's okay. We got a new one, so that's very important. And I mean, we got another freaking enchanted, so who freaking cares about anything else? This is epic. Epic, epic, epic. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the opening as much as I did. I hope you get just as excited, and I also hope that you got an enchanted or multiple ones, because it's a different experience than seeing legendaries. Pulling a enchanted it's adrenaline. Pure adrenaline, nothing else. Okay, yeah, I hope I'll see you in my next video. If you're just interested in Lorcana videos, I'm afraid you have to wait until chapter 4 is out, because I'm not uploading any other Lorcana inspired videos. But yeah, until then, I hope you'll have a great time and take care. Bye!